So we're going to look at analyzing duration. So as we said before, tempo, beat, swing, time signature, pulses, these are all the most important aspects. These are the rhythms you are supposed to be familiar with for year 12. So we need to probably be able to describe these. So some of these ones with the double lines, they are 16th notes. They are usually quite fast and rapid, depending on the tempo. Swing and straight, we need to be able to hear this and know when it's swung and know when it's straight. These are the time signatures that we should know. The first three are simple time. The last two are compound time, divided into eighth notes in groups of three. Sorry, 2 lots of 3, 4 lots of 3. Okay, so let's have a look at this sheet over here. An analysis of tempo requires discussion of rhythmic aspects of a piece. How fast or slow is the work? Does the tempo change? Are there any aspects? We can compare the tempo if it's a comparison. If there is no clear tempo, what makes this appear that way? Does anyone maintain the beat or pulse clearly? How important is the beat or pulse to the work? How fast or slow? This is the terminology that we should be able to use, if not the Italian term in English. And we need to know what these are. So there's a website that has a metronome that is helpful, Metronome Online. As you can see around here, we can see that the presto starts around 160, 168. That's the beat. So eighth notes at that tempo is, 16th notes is, okay. What's the other one? What's the next one? Allegro. That's eighth notes. That was 16th notes. Triplets would be okay. Moderate. Eighth notes. Triplets. 16ths. And so on. Describe the change in tempo. Is it gradual? Is it sudden? Does it change at all? Are there any aspects that make the work seem faster or slower? As you heard then, there's a big difference between eighth notes and 16th notes. And when you're mixing them up, this can make things appear faster or slower. If you have a lot of whole notes, it's going to appear slower. Syncopation might make the rhythm also feel more complicated, more interesting, anything like that. Dotted rhythms the same. Dots generally indicate syncopation because that means some of the rhythm is off the beat. Accents, where are the accents? Are they on the beat? Are they off the beat? At the start of the bar, at the end of the bar? Do the notes have a short attack and a long decay, or vice versa? Silence, where is the silence? The tempo appears to be slow. This can be the result of long note values, as I said. Straightforward rhythmic values, just on the beat or every 2 beats. Use of swing, as I said, let me demonstrate that one more time. So this is straight eighths. So when the music feels like this, it's straight. When the music feels like this, it's swung. Okay, hopefully we can hear the difference and hopefully we can recognize the difference in music we listen to. Echoing, decay, silence, legato. So legato is when every note rings into each other. If there is no clear tempo, what makes you think so? Use of pause, use of rubato, unexpected changes in the rhythm. Long sort of rests might do that. So long silence, Uneven accented notes might give you that feeling. Does any instrument maintain the beat clearly? Usually the drums do, and the bass player. The soloist can be a bit more free of time sometimes. The singer often lags behind or pushes ahead. Bass and drums, rhythm section, rhythm guitar maybe, they're locked into that beat always usually. How important is the beat to the work? Can you hear it clearly? Is there an instrument whose role is to keep this throughout the piece? If there is no clear beat or pulse, maybe due to the slower tempo or maybe changes. So often a song might start with a free time introduction by a guitar or a piano or a singer.